Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna be unboxing Redmi Note 7. And as you guys can see, this is the retail box, and I've actually gone with the red color, so I really want to see how this looks. And I know most of you are familiar with the specs, and also I won't be going through that. Snapdragon 660, 12 plus 2 megapixel camera, 6.3 inch full HD display, full HD plus display in fact. So yeah guys, there is the box, and you can see that two seals, one at the top, at the bottom as well. So yeah, let's quickly cut the seal and get straight in. And guys, this phone actually does support quick charge, but to enable that you have to buy the Qualcomm 4.0 because this phone doesn't come with a fast charger. So yeah guys, you have to buy that. And as you can see, the standard packaging, and then you get this case. And yes, this is the case with paperwork as well. Let's keep this to the side guys and look at the phone. And I've actually gone with the 4GB variant guys. So here's the phone, the red color guys. Now before I get any further in, I want to show you guys this phone in outdoors. So yeah guys, have a closer look. So yeah guys, in this phone you get Gorilla Glass 5 on both sides, in the front, on the back as well. So not a lot of phones that provide that. I mean, considering the price range, dual camera setup, AI enabled, and the color looks super amazing guys. So if you want to buy this, I would suggest you to buy the red variant. Looks beautiful as you guys can see it. And one thing more guys I really like about this is that this one comes with a Type-C, and if you have a look on the top, you will get the 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, secondary mic. On the right you get the power key with the volume rockers. On the left you get the SIM tray. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And keeping that to the side as well. Now this charger, as I said guys, this is not the fast charger, but if you want to buy one, it will be available soon from Mi Store. You can buy from there. And then you get this Type-C cable, as I was talking about. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Let's keep it to the side and get straight in the phone itself. Power it on, and let's see the fingerprint as well. So yeah, let's quickly take out this sticker. Look at that, looks beautiful guys, once again. And then the second one, and then this little plastic on the front as well. So let me quickly set this up guys real fast, so I can give you guys show you guys the fingerprint and the speed and accuracy, and have a quick look in the settings as well. So yeah guys, everything is set up, and you can see the brightness is set to max. Let's quickly check out the fingerprint, and as always, super fast. And if you go to setting, you can see that it comes Android P out of the box. And I will be comparing this with Honor 8X, doing the speed test and also the camera test. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell as well. And if you open camera, you also get the AI feature. So I won't be going in detail right now. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share if possible. And yeah, like, subscribe, share guys, and as always, peace out.